Garifuna settlements. Guatemala is home to several Garifuna communities, primarily located along the Caribbean coast in places like Livingston, Puerto Barrios, and Santo Tomás de Castilla. These communities have preserved their distinct cultural identity despite historical challenges. Cultural diversity. Guatemala is known for its diverse cultural landscape, and the Garifuna culture adds to this richness. The Garifuna people have their own language, music, dance, and culinary traditions, contributing to the vibrant tapestry of Guatemalan culture. As for music and dance are integral parts of cultural expression in Guatemala. Punta, a popular Garifuna music genre, is characterized by its lively rhythms and energetic dance moves. Other traditional music styles include parranda and chumba, each with its own unique blend of African and indigenous influences. Garifuna cuisine in Guatemala is a reflection of the region's abundant seafood and tropical ingredients. Dishes like hudut, made from mashed green or ripe plantains cooked in coconut milk and served with fish, are beloved staples. Iriba, a type of cassava bread, is often served alongside fish stew or other savory dishes, showcasing the culinary diversity of the Garifuna culture in Guatemala.